Hello guys, this is another Minecraft video. It's probably my third or fourth one. So, I'm waiting for a friend. And we're gonna make a video of something. I don't know what yet. What game do you want to play?
Go! I'm still looking good, okay. No, I don't want to look at your house.
Why? It's so nice.
I fell.
Ah, I'm gonna give you some coal. Oh. So what game do you want to play?
MVP plus, really?
Teehee.
I don't think this is allowed.
It's the exact thing. It's the exact same thing.
Okay, you might not just talk on your mic. Wait, your volume's on, right?
What?
Yes, I have volume at max. Talk.
I am.
No, I am fine. All you. Okay, then it really is all you. Like, I see the green circle, but I don't hear you. Oh, it's because I didn't plug it in. I didn't even plug in my headphones. Wait, then what am I talking into? Okay, now that my headphones are plugged in, say something.
Hi.
Ow, okay, that was loud. Yeah, let me think of a game. I gotta put this down.
I don't think my fans
Are you good at
can...
zombies?
What?
Are you good at zombies?
I don't think I've ever played it before.
Oh, okay, well, let me teach you the way. Wait, oh, this is... Wait, is this...
I can't leave my...
I think this was PTR at first, right?
What?
Wait, am I thinking of a different server?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I'm... Let me ask the company. Hold on, I'm confused. I'm pretty sure it's hypixel. Where is it? New, yeah, it was... Yeah, it is this. Okay, then where is it? It says it's in, it says it's in the party or arcade games lobby. I cannot find it. Here it is. Oh, yeah, it's going zombies. It's the center one.
I know.
Okay, can you, like, give me the part?
Which one? Alien, Arcadia, and Bad Blood, or Dead End?
Dead End is probably, honestly, the most simple. Okay, I have the two end windows.
I've never played this.
Wow, what a practice dummy.
I don't think they can hear you, but I can.
Okay.
I'm following you.
No, stop, go.
Okay.
I got both of these. I need the money since I'm good at this.
What about this one? I can hear you killing them.
Yeah, you gotta use your sword as much as you can. Let them break as many windows as you can.
There's one right here.
Get money. Yeah, I know. It's mine. My kill.
I hear
That's my
something.
window.
What's that noise?
That's probably a zombie. That's double gold. Try to land as many headshots as you can. Another double gold. Yeah. Ew, and a max ammo. Headshot this. Repair. Wow.
Ah!
Okay, can you like stop stealing my kills?
I
No,
wanna.
that's my window. My window.
I'll do this one. Wait, no. Oh Lord.
Okay, then I have to buy the hotel for the rifle. Everybody, go get the rifle.
Where's the rifle?
It's in there. You have no idea how to play
Okay.
this, do you?
No.
Oh. Who insta kill?
Ah! Help me! Help me!
You have to land as many
I have
headshots
t-
as you
I have 2.5 hearts. 2.5 hearts.
can. Then just run.
Ah! Tons of people after me too. I'm stuck. I'm stuck upstairs.
Run.
I can't. Can't.
Then shoot them. Chain them.
I am. A golden zombie pigment is killing me. I gotta repair. This is my window upstairs.
Yeah, and I didn't say travel here. I said get the rifle.
I can't find it.
It's downstairs and it's literally right there on the left. I can cover up here. Downstairs.
How do I have the wait? I have the second most gold.
No, you have the least gold. I have the most since I unlocked this.
I don't have enough. I don't.
used
Ah!
500.
I don't have enough for the rifle, and the thing is after me. Okay.
Windows are an amazing way to get money. So headshots. There we go. I can hear you game audio, you know.
Yeah.
I'm close to having enough for the rifle. Don't think it's gonna get
I think I have enough for a rifle. Yep.
Okay, it's 500. You just now got 500?
Yeah. I'm pretty bad at this game.
Well, the other guy needs to unlock. Go away, just go. Go! Oh my god.
Oh, I thought I hit you.
You suck!
I thought I hit you.
Oh my.
I thought I hit you.
There's no friendly fire, just go away, you're blocking my view. And you're wasting like all the ammo. Do you see any of the things behind us?
Oh Lord!
Any of the things
Oh
behind
Lord!
us, and two
Ah!
people can't repair a window at the same time. Oh, you suck.
That sucks.
Well, now I can get the rifle, even with you being inside of my face the entire time.
Oh Lord! Oh no!
Wait, it's achievements now? Okay, just go somewhere else. I can get there.
I'm gonna go upstairs. What happens if we die?
You can either respawn or get revived or respawn next round. When you choose the respawn next round option, like you really don't get anything. You have to wait until next round. So the respawn is much better, but it risks the other player's life in trying to. Oh, you're actually able to secure an area. That's surprising.
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Oh Lord! I see one. I see one. It's a dog. It's a
Yeah, I
dog.
know. And someone missing like all of these shots.
I'm not.
Here's my my 1500 mark.
There's someone behind you.
Okay.
Just kidding. I don't know where you're at.
I am downstairs and I am going to get the shotgun.
Okay. Oh Lord! He broke through.
Okay, dude, just move to the office.
Why?
All of us are here.
Help, 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 help.
Just come out.
I'm out. I'm dead. I didn't know where the office was.
Okay, well...
No, I'm gonna die in 10 seconds.
Yeah, you'll
7,
respawn next round.
6, 5, 4. Oh, he's reviving.
Respawn next round.
I'm revived.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, 1K.
I'm going in the office.
Okay, yes. There we go. Now it's next round. Now you can enter the office. Just don't die again, because I'm not gonna res you.
Oh, should I get the shotgun whenever I get enough things?
Yes.
Oh, the dog's coming.
Shot rifle is open.
Ah!
Okay, I almost have enough power.
Ah! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Just
I'm
come
fine.
up to the office!
I'm in the office.
You're not with any of us.
Oh, that way is the office.
Well, this is the better office.
Oops. Ah! Oh, shoot. I've almost got the highest. You got the lowest.
Lowest what? Yeah, I bought 2,000 worth of things. You bought what? 500 worth?
I'm getting ready to
You only
get.
got 1,200. I've got 2,140 total.
I'm getting ready to get 2,000. I mean, 1,000
You has been
stuff.
MVP here. If anything, you has, not me or you.
I'm getting ready to get the
Definitely not
shotgun.
you. Just
Oh,
buy
shoot.
it.
I can't. I'm being attacked.
So right click with your pistol in your hand. Oh god, you're so stupid, dog. There you go. Okay. No. Okay.
Hell, I died again.
Can you not even cover yourself?
There's way too many in that room.
Okay, fine. Gotcha. No, I'll go.
Oh, shoot.
That was like a perfectly timed instinct, I'll be honest.
The shotgun's awful.
No, it's amazing. It can one-shot doggos. You just suck, honestly.
No, it doesn't have that many things.
Yeah, it has 5. That's enough to kill 5 doggos.
I wonder what happens if I could jump into one of these.
I'm doing what? The windows?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How?
Look. Boom! One shot! And that's not even a doggo that in one shot. It's a full-grown zombo. Oh, this is a doggo. Look, another one shot. It's all one shot.
I hit it first.
What? No. I am one-shotting all of these. Oh god, I'm gonna... It's one-shot 3 things. Like, sure, you have to be up close, but they're not gonna be able to get close to you.
I'm repairing some.
That's zombie death. Where is it?
I'm repairing the things.
Where is the bombo?
Yeah, I'm
I have
definitely
Bombi
dead.
on me. Somebody please save me. Just type Bombi's on, well, me, or my username. Somebody, I have the boss on me. Save me.
I'm dead.
Can you at least tell them that I have the boss on me? I'm about half. That was a perfectly timed. Yeah, perfectly timed. Perfect. Totally not late at all.
Oh, I got an achievement. I'm getting ready to end up the. Oh, guys, I am going to end the video right here.